Well, welcome everybody. This is a short one, but I thought I'd show you. This is what's called an ottoman. It's upside down right now. And those are the legs. And what do we have here? We have a leg that fell out, and that's because the part that it screws into here has kind of worked away so it doesn't fit in there anymore. So what we've done is taken it apart. Turns out this particular fastener, you can stick an Allen wrench into it. And what we're going to do is to add some more wood along the sides here with a little bit of wood glue. And then we'll screw this in, and that'll be it. All right, join us as we get into this. All right, so again, the idea is to replace the wood that was lost or was never there. This is what the fastener looks like. And this has threads in it. It's hard to see, but there's threads down in there that match up with the leg. So this thread's on there. But before we do that, we want to put it back down in there. And to do that, we want it to be good and tight in that hole. And so you can see there that there's a hex on there, and you find the right Allen wrench, and voila, you can put it in there. So the other thing is the wood to use down in there. I've got some little strips of oak that I had left over from other things, but you can use toothpicks. That would work just fine, or even matchsticks. Now these are pretty soft, so I'm not a real fan of that. Plus, obviously, you'd cut off the heads there, so you don't have lighting on fire in there. But anyhow, I'm going to use the oak and see how that does, and then we'll try to get them positioned with a little bit of glue on them, and then we'll thread that into them. All right, so there it is, and you can see that lots of the empty space is now filled up with little pieces of wood. Oops, I don't want to get too close there. Can't see what I'm looking at. There we go. Sorry. So you can see there's a couple of spaces here. I just jammed that piece in there. I might try and put one more in there just to give as much meat as it can down there. So I let the glue dry overnight, and now we're ready to put this back in. Should hopefully screw right down. I haven't done this yet, so I'm hoping everything works. Well, it's sort of working. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that feels good. So, I think we have fixed the broken leg, and we're all good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. And by the way, this is what it looks like when it's right side up. Give you a scan of it here. So, there we go. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.